Revolut Ultra review. Hey everyone. In this video, we'll explore the Revolut Ultra plan to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. What is Revolut Ultra? Revolut Ultra is the bank's top-tier subscription plan, priced at £55 per month or £540 annually. It offers a suite of premium benefits tailored for frequent travelers, high-volume currency exchangers, and those seeking luxury perks at revolut.com. Key features: unlimited currency exchange. Exchange currencies without fees, even on weekends. ATM withdrawals. Withdraw up to £2,000 per month without fees. Global eSIM data. Enjoy up to 3 gigabytes of global data per month. Partner subscriptions. Access premium services like Financial Times, NordVPN, ClassPass, and more. Travel insurance. Comprehensive coverage including trip cancellation, car hire excess, and winter sports. Airport lounge access. Unlimited access to over 1,400 lounges worldwide. RevPoints loyalty program. Earn points on spending, redeemable for air miles and other rewards. High interest savings. Earn up to 5% AR on your savings. Pros. Comprehensive travel benefits. Ideal for frequent travelers with lounge access and insurance. Cost savings. Bundled subscriptions can offset the plan's cost if you use them regularly. Enhanced financial tools. High-interest savings and fee-free currency exchange. Cons. High cost. At £55 per month, it's significantly more expensive than other plans. A limited availability. Currently available only in the UK and EEA. Potential overlap. Some benefits may duplicate services you already have. User experiences. Many users find value in the Ultra plan when they utilize multiple features. I use many of the lifestyle benefits. Financial Times, NordVPN, ClassPass. I also do some stock trading and exchange currencies daily. However, some caution about the cost. If you don't plan on using most of the features, it might not be as valuable for you. Is it worth it? If you frequently travel, utilize the included subscriptions, and manage international finances, the Ultra plan can offer significant value. However, if these features don't align with your needs, you might find better value in Revolut's lower-tier plans. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial insights.